Getting the Friends Network unreachable error on Steam? Here are 5 ways you can fix it. Welcome back to Silicophilic. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So, let's get started. Method 1. Delete the Steam web browser's cookies and cache. The first solution involves clearing the Steam web browser's cookies and cache. Follow these steps to give it a try. Launch the Steam client and go to Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu and navigate to the In-Game tab. Click on the Delete Web Browser Cache button, then confirm your action. Restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Opt out of the Steam beta. If the first solution didn't work for you, let's move on to the second one. Opting out of the Steam beta. Here is what you need to do. Open the Steam client and go to Steam in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and navigate to the Interface tab. In the Client Beta Participation section, select the option No Beta Chosen and click on Restart Now. Method 3. Revert Steam to an older version. If the previous solution didn't do the trick, you can try reverting Steam to an older version. Follow these steps. Right-click on Steam desktop shortcut and select Open File Location. Within that folder, locate the package folder and right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Previous Versions tab and choose an older version of Steam from the list. Click on Restore and confirm your action. Once the restoration is complete, launch Steam and see if the error persists. Method 4. Update the network adapter driver. An outdated network adapter driver can also cause the Friends Network unreachable error. Let's update it by following these steps. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type dev.mgmt.msc in the Run box and hit Enter. This will open the Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters category. Right-click on your network adapter and select Update Driver. Choose the option to automatically search for updated driver software. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After the driver update is complete, restart your computer and check if the error has been resolved. Method 5. Change the public DNS server address. Changing the public DNS server address might help resolve the Friends Network unreachable error. Follow these steps. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type ncpa.cpl in the Run box and hit Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Right-click on your active network connection and select Properties. In the Properties window, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select the option Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the following addresses. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes. Restart your computer and check if the error is resolved. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and always remember that we are here to help you out.